Setting the home day schedule. In this tutorial, you will learn how to program the specific times and temperatures that your floor will heat up and cool down during home days. The Solo Thermostat has two programmable set points for home days. Each set point represents the time and temperature to which the floor heating will change. These set points are represented by the wake and sleep icons located near the bottom of the screen. The wake icon represents the first warm-up time, typically set for the time you wake up. The sleep icon represents the second cool-down time, typically set for the time you go to sleep. To set the home day schedule, first access the Programming menu by holding down the Select button until the Programming menu appears on the screen. Press the Up or Down buttons until Home Day is flashing. Press the Select button to confirm the selection. You will notice the Wake icon at the bottom of the screen is flashing. Remember, the Wake icon represents the first warm-up time of the day, typically the time you wake up. Press the Select button to begin modifying the Wake set point. You will notice that the hour is flashing. Press the Up or Down buttons until the desired hour is displayed. Once the desired hour is displayed, press the Select button. You will notice that the minute begins to flash. Press the Up or Down buttons until the desired minute is displayed. Once the desired minute is displayed, press the Select button. You will notice that the temperature is flashing. Press the Up or Down buttons until the desired temperature is displayed. Once the desired temperature is displayed, press the Select button. Press the Up or Down buttons to select the other set point. Repeat these steps to modify the time and temperature associated with the other set point. To exit to the Programming menu, press and hold the Select button. To exit to the main screen, press and hold the Select button.